Welcome back, everyone, here for another episode of our show, where we bring you the most amazing facts about animals. Today's topic is one that will leave you feeling itchy all over. That's right, it's time to explore the world of spiders and find out some crazy facts about swallowed spiders. Make sure to stick around till the end, because one of these facts may just make you scream. So without further ado, let's get started with our top 10 mind-blowing facts about swallowed spiders. Number 10. The humble house spider. If you are one of the many people who are afraid of spiders, then this next fact may be enough to send shivers down your spine. According to a recent survey conducted in the United States, it was found that the average American swallows a pound of spiders every year. Now you might be wondering how this is possible, since we do live in a world where humans are eaten by spiders. Well, the good news is that you probably won't have to worry about being eaten by an angry spider anytime soon. However, spiders can sometimes crawl into our extremely acidic stomachs without being detected. And if you are someone who lives in a dusty environment, then chances are you have swallowed at least one spider in your lifetime. Number 9. Not all spiders are created equal. When it comes to the world of spiders, there are some species that can do us more harm than good. For example, did you know that a single bite from a Brazilian wandering spider could be enough to make you go blind? These spiders are known for their venomous bites, which can cause symptoms such as pain, swelling, and even paralysis. In extreme cases, their venom has been known to cause respiratory failure and death. On the other hand, we also have things like cellar spiders, which are completely harmless to humans. In fact, they are actually beneficial for us because they feed on other insects that can be considered pests. So while not all spiders are dangerous, it's important to remember that you should never try to pick one up or touch it. If you come across one in the wild. Number 8. Spiders have been around since dinosaurs roamed the earth. Spiders have been on this planet for a very long time, and they were around long before humans ever existed. In fact, according to fossil records, spiders first appeared on Earth during the Devonian period, which was around 360 million years ago. This means that they were around at the same time as some of the most famous dinosaurs, such as Stegosaurus and Ankylosaurus. But despite being around for so long, spiders still remain one of the most mysterious creatures on this planet. There are over 45,000 species of spiders living all over the world today, and scientists believe there could be even more undiscovered species out there. Despite their age, spiders continue to amaze us with their unique adaptations and behaviors, and it's likely that we will continue to learn new things about them for years to come. Number 7. Different types of spiders can live in different places. Spiders are incredibly adaptable creatures and can be found in almost any habitat on Earth. Some spiders prefer to live in warm and humid environments, such as tropical rainforests, while others thrive in colder climates, like deserts. For example, tarantulas are large, hairy spiders that typically live in burrows they dig themselves. They are mostly found in the southern United States, Central America, and South America. Meanwhile, jumping spiders are small but very active creatures that are known for their ability to jump many times their body length. As their name suggests, they are typically found in grasslands and other open areas. No matter where you are in the world, there is likely to be at least one species of spider living nearby. So next time you head outside, be sure to keep an eye out for these amazing creatures. 6. Some spiders can sense danger through vibrations. Spiders have a variety of ways to sense danger, but some species are able to detect danger through vibrations. This is because spiders are incredibly sensitive to even the slightest movement or change in their environment. For example, certain spiders can sense the vibrations of a bird's wings as it flies overhead and will retreat to safety. Other spiders can sense the vibrations of a potential predator's footsteps and will hide in a burrow or leaf litter. This ability to sense danger through vibrations allows many spiders to avoid becoming prey themselves. And it's just one of the many amazing adaptations that help spiders survive in a variety of habitats. Number 5. A spider's web is more than just a way to catch prey. Spiders are well known for their ability to create intricate webs that they use to catch their prey. But did you know that a spider's web can do more than just catch food? In some cases, a spider's web can also serve as a way to attract a mate. Male spiders often build special webs that they use to display their courtship rituals. These webs may be larger or more elaborate than the webs the spiders use for catching prey, and they may even include decorations such as leaves or flower petals. Female spiders often inspect these display webs carefully before agreeing to mate. In addition, a spider's web can also serve as a protective shelter for egg sacs. By wrapping their eggs in silk, spiders can protect their offspring from predators and ensure their survival. Overall, a spider's web is an incredibly useful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes beyond just catching food. Number 4. Spiders can produce different types of silk. Spiders are well known for their ability to produce silk, which they use to create their webs and egg sacs. But did you know that spiders can actually produce 7 different types of silk? Each type of silk has a different function and is made up of different proteins. For example, spiders use dragline silk to create the framework of their webs. This silk is strong and elastic, which allows the spider to create a web that can capture a wide variety of prey. In addition, spiders also produce silk that is used for egg sacs, which need to be strong enough to protect the eggs, but also lightweight enough to be suspended in the air. Overall, spiders' ability to produce different types of silk allows them to perform a variety of tasks and adaptations that help them survive in a range of environments. No. 3. Some spiders can mimic the appearance of other insects. Spiders are incredibly diverse creatures, and some species have evolved to look like other insects. This adaptation allows them to blend in with their surroundings and avoid being eaten by predators. For example, some spiders have developed the ability to mimic the appearance of ants. This is particularly effective because ants are generally seen as dangerous, and many predators avoid them. Other spiders can mimic the appearance of bees or wasps, which are also known for their painful stings. In addition, some spiders can even mimic the appearance of leaves or twigs to camouflage themselves against predators. Overall, spiders' ability to mimic other insects is an amazing example of the power of natural selection and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. No. 2. Spiders can play dead when threatened. Spiders are often perceived as dangerous and scary creatures, but they are also capable of playing dead when threatened. This behavior is known as thanatosis, and it is a defense mechanism that some spiders use to avoid being eaten by predators. When a spider plays dead, it will often roll onto its back and stay motionless until the threat has passed. This behavior can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as the presence of a predator, sudden changes in temperature, or even loud noises. Playing dead is thought to be an effective defense mechanism, because it makes the spider appear less appealing to predators. Many predators prefer to eat live prey and will avoid eating a dead animal, especially if it looks like it may be poisonous. By playing dead, spiders can avoid being eaten and live to reproduce another day. No one single spider can eat its body weight in food each year. Spiders are incredibly efficient hunters, and some species are able to eat their body weight in food each year. This means that a spider that weighs 1 gram can eat 1 gram of food in a year. This is an impressive feat, considering that spiders typically eat other insects, which are much smaller than they are. Spiders are able to eat so much food because they have a very high metabolic rate. This allows them to digest their food quickly and efficiently, meaning they can eat more than 1 insect per day. In addition, spiders are also able to store food in their stomachs, which allows them to eat large meals and then digest them over time. This ability to eat large amounts of food each year allows spiders to thrive in a variety of habitats and play an important role in the ecosystem by controlling populations of other insects. Thanks for watching. See you next time.